Today I'm testing the GPT Trading Bot for pocket option in auto trading mode. No manual clicks, no strategy needed. The bot finds the trade and executes it for me. If you've been searching for a real GPT Trading Bot review for pocket option, this video shows exactly how it performs, live, with real numbers. Let's jump straight into the dashboard. So here's the GPT Trading Bot inside Telegram. You can see the main screen, Find Best Trade button, and right below it, the full auto mode with up to 30 trades per session. This is the auto trading feature I'm testing today. One tap, and the bot analyzes the market, picks the asset, and executes the trade on pocket option automatically. I've got the trading style set to fast. Most trades fires on every signal, and deal time on 30 to 60 seconds, which is fast scalping on OTC assets only. Deal amount is set to $100 per trade. You can adjust this from $1 all the way up to $100, or switch to a percentage instead. Okay, the bot just placed its first trade, Euro to US dollar, OTC, 1-minute expiry. Let's watch this play out. And that's a win, plus profit on the very first trade. The bot is already moving to the next one. What I like here is that I'm not doing anything. The GPT Trading Bot is finding these pocket option signals completely on its own, in auto mode, back to back. If you want to try the GPT Trading Bot for pocket option yourself, the link is in the description. Setup takes about 2 minutes, and you can start with zero deposit to test the free signals first before going full auto.
Moobert. 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 Moobert.
So here's where we landed after the full session. 30 wins out of 30 trades, net result of $2,330. That's a perfect win rate for fully automated trading on Pocket Option, especially considering I didn't touch a single setting mid-session.